Make inspection easy with Nearthlab. Armed with AI and deep learning, Nearthlab's autonomous drones can perceive. Automatic distance keeping and collision avoidance features allow the drone to conduct stable inspection. The drone takes a photo every second to make sure that all of the blade surface is covered. Collected data is transmitted to Nearthlab's data management platform, Zoomable. High-resolution inspection data allow users to clearly view defects as small as 0.3 millimeters. Asset owners can intuitively view and manage each turbine blades. Inspection reports are generated and delivered to the clients. Asset owners can view and track the condition of their whole fleet, as well as compare data to the previous years. Make inspection easy with drone-driven data.